Lumion provides us with the opportunity to add fall colors to a scene. Move your cursor to the Photo button. After selecting on Photo, the next thing that we need to do is to click here inside of the gray box. After selecting on the gray box, we want to add an effect to this scene. Click on FX to add an effect to the scene. That effect will be autumn colors, which will provide us with a variety of different colors for the foliage here in the scene. There's an option for hue. By clicking on the hue bar and then pulling it to the side, you'll start to see that your trees begin to turn blue. If you pull it over toward the right-hand side, you'll get more reds and browns. You'll notice somewhere around 2, it'll be almost a dead leaf kind of appearance to it. I'll simply move the hue back over to 0.0. There's also an option here for saturation. Pull saturation over, and you'll begin to lose colors there on the leaves. Pull saturation over to the right-hand side, and you'll get really bright, vivid colors. If we click on hue and then pull hue over to the right, notice how much brighter those colors are on the trees now that we're pulling it from side to side if saturation has been pulled all the way up. There's also an option here for hue variation, and if you slide the hue variation over, you'll get a wide variation of different colors here in the scene. I usually do not recommend having the hue variation slid over and the saturation up really high. And the reasoning behind that is sometimes with the hue variation, you get some odd colors like some of the blues that you usually don't see in trees. And you don't want to really emphasize the fact that you've got an odd color or two in there. So by adjusting each one of these settings, you can begin to actually see differences in how the colors display. By adjusting range, you'll see a wide range of different colors. By adjusting range back over to the left-hand side, pretty much just one color. And then to actually take the photo of your leaves once you have your autumn color set, you can come to the Store Camera, click to take a photo, and it will store those effects. If you go to your photo 1 and click, you'll notice that the fall colors is not one of the effects that's currently assigned inside of this scene. But if you click on photo 3, I called it fall colors before, but it's really called autumn colors. And now you'll see that that autumn colors is now been applied to this camera view.